Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the blockchain.com crypto platform. It's a very simple and easy sign up process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in your browser, click on the search bar and search for blockchain.com sign up. In the search result, the official website of blockchain.com has appeared. Here you can see the login page of the blockchain.com, so click on it. It'll open up the login page of blockchain.com wallet. But in order to sign up for a new account, here you can see sign up option at the top right corner. Click on it. So this is the sign up page. You can enter your details over here to create a new account. First of all, enter your email address. After that, create a password for your account. Make sure that it is secured. Re-enter your password to confirm it. And below that, here you can see the checkbox. Click on it to agree the terms. After that, click on this next button. Now you need to enter the country of your residence. Click on this drop-down list. Find your country from here. If you have a referral code, you can enter it over here. If not, you can just click on this next button. Now blockchain.com will send you the verification email. So go to your email. As you can see, I've received a new mail from blockchain.com. I'll open it. It contains the verification link. So I'll click on it. Now it will be verified. Now go back. You've successfully created your new account. Now you can log in with the same details. So that's it. That's how you can sign up for the blockchain.com wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.